nature walk. I took a walk in the woods. I saw many trees. I saw a broken tree. I saw a spider crawling on the leaf. I saw a white mushroom on the ground. I saw moss growing on the tree. I can see the roots of this tree. I had a lot of fun exploring in the woods. I was walking on a bridge. There were ferns alongside the bridge. My grandma and I were walking on the bridge. I saw giant green leaves. I saw a red berry. It's time for me to go home. On my way out, I saw the deer eating. Do you see it too? I enjoy my nature walk in the woods. Bye-bye.